View and Apply Calculator and Shortcut class. I'm Ishola David Blessing by name, popularly known as General David. This is the first season, and in this first season, we'll be looking at differential calculus, which we all know as differentiation. Now, let me start with natural logarithm. Now, the shortcut for natural logarithm, let me show you how it happens. Now, when you are given y to be equal to ln f of x, this is natural logarithm, we call it ln. We call it ln. Then, the ln of the f of x, the formula says the y dx of this will be equal to 1 over f of x, then multiplied by differentiation of the f of x. Now, let us see a case as an example. Now, if you are given something like this, that y is equal to ln of 5x raised to power, let's say 6. Then following the formula, the y dx of this will be equal to 1 over, now compare this, that shows that the f of x is 5x raised to power 6. That means y over 5x raised to power 6, then multiplied by differentiation of this f of x, which is 5x raised to power 6. Then the y dx of this will now becomes 1 over 5x raised to power 6, then multiplied by differentiation of this will be 6 times 5, which is 30, then x raised to power 6 minus 1, which is 5. Then when you multiply it together, you have it to be 30x raised to power 5 over 5x raised to power 6. Now, let us count. We have the 5 here, 1, 5 in 30, that's all 6. You notice that we have x raised to power 5 here, and x raised to power 6 at the denominator. Then x raised to power 5 will cancel 5 out of the x raised to power 6 at the denominator. It will remain just only one x. And you notice that the final answer here is 6 over x. But I may not pass through this stress before I get the final answer to this question. Let me show you. Some people may say, how? Now, the thing is this. When you are given this type of question, I'll just tell you that the dy dx of this question is the power of the x over x. And that is 6 over x. That's the answer. And as you can see, it is 6 over x as well. Now, let me show you another example. Now, if you are given y to be equal to ln, let me even use 100x raised to power 7. Now with this, some people may be panic because of this 100. Regardless of the number that is here, the shortcut still holds. So therefore, the dy dx of this question will be equal to the power of the x, which is 7 over x. This is the final answer. You can use this. You can use the formula I gave you earlier to what? To show the example, or let me say the solution for the result for this question, and you will see that it has the same answer. Thank you very much for today. In the next class, comment, let me know the kind of shortcut you want and the kind of the calculator method you want. Thank you very much. God bless you.